Hi, today I'm producing Motorola Moto G Pure and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AAD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store, and here in the search pool we should enter Muviz Edge. So now we should get this application and then just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app and click to draw over apps. Then just find here the Muviz Edge application and tap once on the switcher. Then go back to the application, click to AAD and select one from these available tabs, tap to apply. So now just let's lock the device. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.